Hello, and welcome back. In this video, we will take a better look on the advanced settings section of the Traffic Manager platform. Before creating the first offer of our affiliate network or affiliate program, we need to understand better these sections here. On the previous video, we learned how to customize the general settings of our platform, and now, we will need to move to the categories. Here are the main categories of the platform. We can add some new ones if needed, edit the existing ones, or delete the ones we don't use. Creating categories in our affiliate network is useful because, when you will have multiple offers published into your marketplace, your affiliates will be able to filter them by using these filters here. The next section here is the Domains section, or the Custom Domains section. From here, we can add new public tracking domains for our affiliates, in case we want to provide them some extra tracking domains that they can use to promote our affiliate network offers or campaigns, instead of using your default network domain. The Advertiser section is useful in case we want to allow advertisers to register into our affiliate network and publish their offers directly or by your traffic using the real-time bidding feature. If it is included in your subscription, you can activate their registration and manage their access from here. Please note that this feature is available only for the clients with the Traffic Manager Professional package or above. The last section from the platform settings is the Affiliate Manager section. In this page, we will be able to create and manage custom affiliate manager profiles that we can assign when we will register a new affiliate manager in the platform. If we scroll down, you can see that we have already 3 default profiles of affiliate managers created by default, with access and privileges based on their importance, but you can customize everything you want by clicking the orange edit button you can see on the right, on each individual profile. Now, let's scroll up and change the tab to the Affiliate Managers page. Here we can create, see, and fully manage all the affiliate managers we have in our affiliate network. By clicking here, we can manually remove or assign affiliates to this specific affiliate manager if we want him to have access just to a few affiliates and not the entire list of affiliates of our affiliate network or affiliate program. The same thing applies for other affiliate managers that will work under him if we want to allow them to recruit any. We can also customize each individual affiliate manager privileges and rewards. We can set them a referral commission on all the activity their affiliates are doing. For example, we can reward this specific affiliate manager with a custom percentage and choose to calculate the reward based on our network profit or affiliates payout. But let's see from where the platform is taking the percentage used to calculate the affiliate manager's commissions from. Our platform calculates the network profits by taking out the payout of the affiliates' commissions from the total revenue they generate, and we can see that by checking the last column on the right. Here, we can see the profit for each affiliate individually and, by scrolling down at the bottom, the total profit of our affiliate network for the specific period selected in the dashboard filters. Let's get back to the Affiliate Manager feature and their privileges management. By checking this box, we can assign an automatic all the new registered affiliates to this affiliate manager. It can make sense if we have only one affiliate manager, and we want him to handle everyone. By checking the box below, we can allow this affiliate manager to manage all the users' affiliates we have registered in our affiliate network until now. Note that, if we check that box, he will receive full access over all the old and new affiliates from our platform. If you don't want this affiliate manager to see them all, leave that box unchecked, and he will have access only at the affiliates you provide him access or registers using its referrer link. We can allow this affiliate manager to approve all the new users, affiliates, or advertisers that are registered in our affiliate network by clicking here. By clicking here instead, we can allow him to approve only the ones that he registered using his referral link. By checking the next box, we can allow him to recruit other affiliate managers under him. You can look at them like a sort of sub-affiliate managers, for which our main affiliate manager can also gain a percentage of their earnings if we set it. In our example, we have it set to 5%. This feature works like a multi-level marketing tool that will give you the possibility to incentivize your affiliate managers with commissions for their sub-affiliate managers as well. moving down to the next checkbox. If selected, we can allow our affiliate manager to create advertiser accounts if your Traffic Manager subscription plan has access to this feature. From here, we can also allow him to manage or edit the offers and campaigns from our marketplace. Also, if we want, we can allow him to approve leads and conversions for everybody or only the advertisers assigned to him. From here, we can allow him to send news and fully manage the news section, which is located in the top left side, over the main dashboard, here. We can also allow him to see all the revenue and the profit of our affiliate network, if we want to be more transparent, or if we uncheck this, he will see just its own revenue, or commissions. And finally, we can allow him to manage all the support tickets opened by our users. The support ticket is located in the left menu, here. By checking that box, he will be able to see all the support tickets or, if unchecked, only the ones that you will assign to him when you create that specific support ticket category. Besides all these advanced settings, we have also the log section, where the admin can see a lot of detailed information about the conversions, clicks, about the postbacks the platform is sending to its partners, all the chargebacks, invalid conversion and platform events. A very important feature of our platform regarding chargebacks is the fact that the Traffic Manager platform can also receive negative postbacks, or otherwise called chargebacks, which will be automatically removed from the affiliate credit that generated that traffic. So, in case you have an affiliate that generated traffic from which you receive chargebacks, the platform will remove the credit in automatic from that affiliate account. The invalid conversion section is very useful when we do a server-to-server postback integration with a third-party partner, and if they did a test and the test failed, we can see in this page the reason for the failure. In the events section, we can see and monitorize all the activity of all the user roles inside the platform and see when exactly a certain event occurred. For example, we can see if any user role like admin, affiliate manager, etc., modified his profile and what modifications he made, or we can see all the changes another admin or affiliate managers made inside the system and when. This is all regarding the advanced settings options, logs, and affiliate managers accounts. Now, let's go ahead and create the first offer inside the marketplace section.